Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You're going to prepare and start the CarPlay session now. First, plug a known good lightning cable into your F150's USB-A or USB-C port. CarPlay often fails with poor cables. Next, unlock your iPhone and allow it to trust the vehicle if prompted. This creates the link. Once done, ensure Siri, Bluetooth, and cellular data are enabled so CarPlay can stream maps, messages, and music. You'll see the CarPlay icon appear on the sync screen. Tap it to begin. Now configure and use CarPlay effectively. On your iPhone, go to Settings, General, CarPlay, and pick your F150 to rearrange icons. Putting navigation and music first reduces distractions. Use Apple Maps or a supported navigation app for turn-by-turn directions. CarPlay streams audio and routes through the truck's speakers. Control playback and calls with the sync touchscreen, steering wheel controls, or say, "Hey Siri," for hands-free actions. Make sure do not finish the session and handle common problems confidently. When you're done, unplug the cable or end the CarPlay session on the sync screen. Unpair the vehicle in iPhone settings only if you need a fresh start. If CarPlay won't connect, restart the iPhone first, then try a different USB port or cable and reboot the sync system. These quick steps resolve most issues. If problems persist, reset iPhone network settings or install pending iOS or Ford Sync updates as the final remedy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.